Hello, hello, people. Guess where we at?
We're at the farm.
We at the farm. Okay, let me tell you something, guys. Since the morning, I've been lonely at home. No one at home at all. Linda has no time for me, and I'm upset at her. Yeah, I'm saying that. I am. Okay? She left me alone. So Fifi called me, and she said, do you want to come with us to the farm? I said, sounds good. Let's take Taji to the farm. And she said, yeah, there's a lot of strawberry, fresh strawberry.
He's excited.
Are you excited?
Give me the
Okay.
trash.
He knows.
Here, what I'm trying. What is this?
It's Leilabo.
Labo. What is that?
Leilabo
Lotion.
lotion. Try it. Just put it on your hands. I'll hold your camera. What do you think?
I like it.
Soft, right?
It's not heavy at all.
Yeah, it's very soft, like milky.
Very light. Yeah.
We gotta go get it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe we'll go after this. We'll go pick one up.
Okay, guys. I'm guessing it's a farm day. يلا يلا
Come
Yalla?
here. Give me your hand.
Let's go. We're going to the farm.
يلا يلا يلا
We're
Taji.
gonna go see the cows.
Come on, let's go. Put him a sticker.
Oh, guys,
Come on,
did you
Baba.
see something different
Let's go.
today? I have a makeup on.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah, it's been a while, wallah. I've been fresh.
Let's go.
Someone excited in here. Yalla.
Ready? This way. This way.
Taji. 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 Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Bye, Dad. He wants to go to the track then. You want to go to the track?
Oh, you want to go to the truck?
Oh, there's watermelons right here. This is watermelons. Come on.
Any watermelon? It'll be cool to see it. Say wallah.
Maybe there's some over there.
Maybe inside, right? All the way in.
All by yourself.
Taji.
He's so edible, dude.
يا روحي.
You like it?
They told me I'm matching the farm today. With the white dress. What is that? What is this? Oh.
Wow,
These
that's
are
a big one.
Need my broken Arabic.
That's a big
What is it though?
What's that? You want to pick it?
Oh, it's in here. No, I can't.
Yeah, you can make
Are
it.
you
at home.
allowed to?
No, you have to. I think it's.
I know, no, you're not allowed to.
Imagine. Just
This
make
is
one
a
and feed it
huge,
like that.
huge one. There's a baby one there. That's so cute. Oh, there's a lot of them. Am I allowed to pick it or no?
Is that funny? Hold this. I don't know if he'll figure this out.
Baby, you need the. He's trying to use the pedals.
Too short for it.
What is that, Taji? What is that?
He's so happy.
What is that, Taji?
Quack quack. It's not- He said quack quack.
Papa, look at the big ones coming. Look at the big ones coming.
Yeah, that big one.
Wow. Be careful with your finger. This one's right here. Oh, it can escape.
I don't even know what this is. What is this?
I don't know.
Because I have to hold him back so he don't put his finger over there.
It is a turkey, right? A turkey?
I think so. Maybe smaller
Guys,
turkey?
you like it? Oh.
Yum.
Oh.
Yeah, it is, Fifi. That one over there is big.
Oh my god.
What is that on his nose, or what is this?
No, I think that's normal. And go to the Hassan. Boo. Oh, it's a beautiful turkey, wallah.
Wow. Wow.
Happy, it likes you.
Jama'a, are you guys realizing something?
What?
The color
Yeah,
on him.
yeah. Palestinian colors?
That's not Palestinian color, Abla.
American?
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
white, blue, and red.
Seen all the animals, Jane.
Oh, wait.
No, okay.
Then there's a pig right here.
Well, that's
Yeah,
the
really.
pig. That pig is aggressive.
Oh, tres.
Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink. Oh, no, 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 no.
Yeah, ma.
Say oink, oink, oink.
No, no, no.
What's this one?
Donkey.
Nay.
That's Nay.
Nay? And it's not Nay, Mama?
He likes the turkeys the best.
Oh,
Yeah, because they're loud. Nay?
مش عاجبه.
Baba, what is this one?
Come on.
No, he's too happy.
He looks like he's like depressed.
Yeah.
Hi, buddy.
You think they stay here forever?
I don't think
Baba, what
Oh, that's so cute.
That's so cool. Wow, it came on time. No, look, they're feeding. Let's go to the bathroom right there.
Look, Baba, you're eating.
It's a Nigerian dwarf boy.
Excuse me, guys. Sorry, I gotta get in here really quickly.
Haram, he's hurt.
Wait, Eileen, watch out.
Baby J, come on. Mama, stay small.
How cute.
They're eating? Are they eating? The way this guy's watching with Tash. Wow, it's eating. Back. They're so nice.
Yeah.
Okay, we want to get one for each house?
Fresh strawberry. Sticky finger.
Oh no, Mama.
Sticky finger.
We'll get this one for you. You want this one?
MashaAllah.
Give you one.
Come on, she's washing them for you. Dad.
Squishy. You want one? Yeah. I'll get you a new one.
Here you go. Let him take one.
Okay,
Let him
go ahead,
take
try
one.
strawberry.
Yalla,
Thank
yalla.
you so much.
Thank you.
Here you give it.
It's really good.
Yeah, they're right now really good.
Oh my god, they're really good.
Oh my God, guys.
Yeah, let me go
Sweet. Very, 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 very sweet. So good, MashaAllah.
Papa, you want some?
What is that?
It's like different pumpkins. We tried those, we didn't like
Pumpkin. You don't like that?
These are different.
Oh, guys, this has to be good.
He's good.
I have no idea, we never tried those.
Apple cinnamon. Muffin.
I like this.
Banana nut muffin. I love banana nut muffin.
Tomato.
Oh, this one. Feta and pink peppercorn. Oh, okay. And we have here olives and herb. This sounds good. Anything with olives sounds good. What do we have in here? Pepper and spice. I think I should get that for the kids. Cat lover. It's
He has
love
this one at home and he
boats.
loves it a lot. Look. Oh yeah, it's similar to the one he has.
Cassie has this book, and it's one of his favorite.
Okay, guys, our visit to the farm it's over. Right now, where are we going? Where are we gonna go?
You guys decide.
Honestly, anywhere we can walk, like an area we can walk.
What is that? يا عمتي, there's a million things blocking. شو هذا البلاck one?
My mom has never put a kid in a seatbelt before.
خلصت أنا. My youngest almost 20, right? يلا تعال. Oh يلا أنا.
Dude, you know there's a bakery over here?
I don't know if this will come this far.
Someone is gonna go ninny now. It's gonna go sleep now. Oh, Habibi, the sun, Fifi.
When he's doing this, he's going to bed.
Also small shops, boutiques. I love boutiques. Oh, look at that, how cute. I miss doing house stuff actually. I think Fifi's going to the lotion place, guys. It's in here.
Good.
Hi.
It's been good. It smells amazing. Yeah, lotion.
Particular one, like the perfume ones, the regular.
There is a favorite one I like. There was the, you know, the Edition Hotel? Yeah. I had a sample of it. I'm like, oh my god. It's like,
Near the top of his head.
huh? Who? Me.
That means it's popular.
Oh, you're saying you went like my right hand?
Oh, I don't know. Malibu Farm has a house and stuff. Oh. This is cute.
This house? Yeah. This would match your house. And make it pop.
Exactly.
That's what you should do, honestly, to your table. It'd be so cute.
Well, it is. That's really cute set.
How come we don't set our tables?
Because we don't want to clean dust.
It's so annoying. Yeah. Especially with my child.
That's a cute towel. This is a really cute towel. Because that guy trying to get us out. You don't need home stuff. Get out.
No, they already happened. It happened like 2 weeks ago. Yeah.
Can you fill my line?
Okay, guys, we came to eat in here. It's a very, very busy place, a fishy place.
Give me the
Trying to figure out the name of the place. Fifi, what's the name of the place?
Bear flag.
There you go. So, better be good.
You think it'd be this long of a wait if it wasn't?
Yep. You're right.
Also, you haven't had.
So guys, this is my first time trying that place. Usually I don't eat fish outside the house, so they are worried about my reaction. So I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm not gonna stress them out. So even if I do not like it, I'm gonna say I liked it. Because they're trying so hard for me. So I found the table and I sat on the table because it's very busy. So we just got lucky. And Fifi, she's right there ordering the food. And Kareem putting Taji to sleep.
They're both great.
Is this a drink?
The chips and
Fifi, I have a news for you.
What?
Okay? Mama, I just scanned that.
oh my god.
I just scanned it.
Who owns it? Oh shit.
It's a part of Nestle.
Oh shit, I didn't know that. How am I supposed to know?
So it's on the boycott list.
You're not gonna drink it? I already paid for it.
I know we already give them our money, Ammi. You gotta be careful.
I shouldn't have done that. I'm sorry. I won't get it next time.
Okay.
Thank you so much. This is mine.
Try
Yeah.
mine.
You have your own. Yours is on top.
Here, guys. Oh, I got two.
They're four toppers. They're small.
Okay, I got a fish taco. Grilled fish taco.
They already have sauce on it. You're not gonna start. I don't even know how to say yeah.
This is amazing. This is really good.
Is it really good?
Very good. Very good. No need to lie. Okay, guys. So the food. Do you want me to tell you guys how is it?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, guys. 10 out of 10.
Oh shoot, I
10 out of 10.
forgot to take a picture of my food. Can we go back and order it again?
We're about to go grab some coffee. They want to grab coffee.
Push button?
They're gonna grab coffee.
But it's okay.
And I don't know. It look like your girl is gonna get a coffee today.
It's actually not
You know, we'll line up. We'll line up. This is alarm.
Because he didn't sleep.
Baba, you didn't sleep for that long.
Mom, I got you your favorite coffee.
Coffee?
He drinks it. He sometimes has some. This is his favorite one. He always takes my cup and he goes like this. For this drink, you guys. Where's the rosemary? It's not on your top. You have the leaf? Who got the leaf? Let me see your leaf.
I got decaf coffee, guys.
Huh?
Okay, guys. Like usual. It's 8:45. And the Isha, what time? 9:05. So I have a little bit time. I can talk to you guys. So I'm gonna be answering you guys question. So let's start with the first one. Okay, let me tell you. When the item, it's a name brand. This pants, I got it from the Runway collection. Home Good, the one next to me, has a Runway collection. Why you think I go there a lot? So they have like a name brand stuff there. And that pants, it's a name brand. So they put that red things on the item. So if you remove it, you won't be able to return the item. That's why, just to secure the item. Okay, here you go. Look at that. You only spoiled your two sons. I'm not gonna say anything. I'm not gonna respond. Because you know what? You're not worth my time. You should find him a bride. Wallah, I've been trying. Wallah, I've been trying. But he want to pick his bride. He does not want me to get involved. He want to pick his bride. But I'll be honest with you, it's the best thing you can do. These days, it's the best you can do for your kids. Just get them married. If they are ready. Of course, if they are ready. He is here, that's him. That's him screaming. So, he's playing game. Imagine. So, I do want to get him married. Because, khalas, like, I feel like if they are still single, I feel I'm still responsible for them. And I really I feel like I'm done. I just want them to get married, so no more responsibility on me. and I just be a mom, but I have no job toward them. That's it. I'm just their mom. It's their turn to take care of me. My turn is done for me to take care of them. It's over. Who's married is done. So I'm working on getting him married. قولوا إن شاء الله يا رب. بدي him and Linda, actually. Him and Linda, I think he's still young. He's 22 years old, but I think he's ready. He's ready. He's doing good, mashallah. And so, alhamdulillah, the best thing we can do is just get him married. Yeah. I do want to get him married so he's set too, and bye-bye, you know. And Linda, I need to get Linda married too. So I have only guys 19 years old. That's too early. 19 years old. So that's the plan. Okay. Okay. The Botox, I think every 3 months. Some of them, I think, every 6 months, but most of them every 3 months. And tomorrow I have a Botox appointment early morning. So yeah, I think every 3 months the Botox. Okay, that melted my heart. I love you, Habibti, and I really appreciate you. And I'm so sorry that I do miss your comments. Just it's so many of them, so many. Like I have a over 45 messages not open. And there's a lot, like a daily basic I receive. Like, and I can't open all of them. That's why. But I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching my snap, and I love you too. That's make me laugh because it's so true. Their friend, they still talking about my food. And when they come visit, they ask my boys, what's your mom cook? What your mom made? Like, you know, they ask about my food. But my kids, they don't appreciate my food. SubhanAllah. He's very responsible young man. Wallah, he is. That's why I'm like, okay. Like in the beginning, like it was tough for me to believe because none of his siblings did that before. It's only him. So I'm like, but he always been responsible. Even when he's young, like he always been different. So plus like things change, generation change, life change, everything. So he signed the lease. He's moving beginning of the month, and he want me to furnish his apartment. But listen to what he told me. Don't go restoration hardware. I don't want anything expensive. Watch. I don't want to spend too much money in the apartment. So you see, he's already watching his money. SubhanAllah. Okay, سمحت, you know what material in one shade in your living room. I did ask Fifi that question actually not too long ago. SubhanAllah, and you asking me for it. Because I got a stain on it from Idris. He threw up on it. And I cleaned up, but since that day, the stain is still there. So I asked Fifi, what is that material? Because I forget a lot. It's a cherry wall, I think. I think she told me cherry wall. Yeah, cherry wall. That's what it was. Because we get something good for our cats. So we want material friendly for the animals. So, you know, because my cat keeps stretching on my furniture. But it's not damaged. So it's a good material. So guys, let's read that person messages. All her comment rude. All of them rude. Top to bottom rude. So she's not worth my time. But I want you guys to see those type of people. Look what she's saying. It's so funny. Sammy got married at 27. At the 27. I always tell my kids, if you're not ready, don't think about it. If you're ready, go for it. So shy. Another rumor. There you go. Continue. Keep going, girl. Thank you. Thank you حبيبتي. But let me tell you something. حياتك. You're gonna be blocked after this. I did block her, guys. I can't do those rude people. She doesn't deserve to be on my page. She's on my page to pick on me and making rumors about me and my family. And I can't deal with those people. I can't. So blocking them, relax my head أحسن لي يحلوا عني. أنا مرة فاعة. تعرف يعني فاعة عايفة حالي. أنا الأيام هاي خلاص بس بدي يعني أعمل الإشي اللي بيريحني. أنا ربيت 8 أولاد تعبت انهلكت. أنتوا كلكم بتعرفوا تربية الأولاد مش سهلة. والله تعبت والله انهلكت. خلاص يعني حاسة إنه خلاص أجا وقت خلاص أدير بالي شوي على حالي. يعني أنا مش صغيرة يعني بس خلاص يعني الواحد تعب من أنا عمري 19 سنة وأنا عيني في أولاد هلكت وتعبت ما عاد في يعني ناقصني كمان ناس تجيني من برا تتفلسف علي حكي زي هيك. والله ظلم والله العظيم ظلم فوق الظلم اللي عشت. بدي نكمل حياتي بظلم. أي حلوا عني يا شيخ. So guys it's already 9:39 so أذن العشاء وخلص وأنا قاعدة بعائب في الناس on social media. So راح أقوم I'm gonna get up right now and صلي صلاة العشاء and أزيح الميك اب. مبسوطة حطيت مكياج اليوم so راح أعمل مكياج وأقعد شوية على تليفوني وأحط راسي وأنام وأرجع الصبح أصحى ألعب شوي مع البس تبعي أحط له أكله بعدين أطلع أمشي أشرب السموذي تبعي بعدين أجي على البيت وبقرر من هناك إيش حسوي بعدها. أطبخ ونظف باي أنا كتير شغلات غيرتها في حياتي. يعني هلأ قللت كتير تنظيف. الطبيخ بطبخش طول الوقت هلأ صار يعني خلص الأولاد كبروا وبطلوا بحاجة لإلي زي قبل. أنا هلأ كل اللي بسويه إنه خلص بهتمي في حالي شوي. يعني حاس إنه أجل وقت إني أهتمي بحالي شوي. هاي كلهم كبار كلهم بغرفهم وإنتي لحالك خلاص خلينا نعيش. أجد هوري أعيش. good night guys. خلاص الليلة هاي إن شاء الله بنكمل بكرة في مسجات أحلى من هيك يعني. good night guys. خلاص الليلة هاي إن شاء الله بنكمل بكرة في مسجات أحلى من هيك يعني.